You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of the shape of pasta from Italy. To learn more pasta shapes and more delicious recipe names from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all here at the end of the video. Let's break down the Italian pronunciation first. Paccheri. You have a double CH, which is pronounced like a K, and because it's double C, you want to stress on that Paccheri, okay, on the K sound. So that's your Italian pronunciation here, Paccheri. In English, you can simply say Paccheri Pasta. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.